guys, so today we're going to learn how to do the middle bar half double crochet, and this is just a couple of samples. This is using a G hook, and this is using an H hook right here, and it just kind of shows you the different sizes. So this is medium 4-weight yarn. So let's go ahead and get started on the middle bar half double crochet, or the what you could call the camel stitch. Okay, so this is called the middle bar half double crochet. It says you can crochet into the middle horizontal bar of any stitch taller than a single crochet. This creates a clearly defined middle line and a horizontal pattern that looks like knitting. And it's also known as the camel stitch. Half double crochet is the most popular and best known version. Okay, so I am just using a medium 4-weight yarn, a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. It doesn't really matter, you are just learning the stitch, so you can use any yarn, any size hook. So as far as the multiple, you can use any number of stitches for your multiple. So I'm just going to, for this sample, I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so first of all, we're going to do 1 half double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. It's 1, 2, 3. So there was a half double crochet, and then we're going to half double crochet in each chain across. So yarn over, insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through all 3 loops. And you just do that all the way down the chain. Okay, then we are going to chain 2, which does count as a half double crochet. So this is a half double crochet. Okay, so we're going to work a half double crochet in the middle bar of each half double crochet across. So here's your top. This is where you normally would put your hook, is right here. But instead, we're going to work in these bars right underneath our stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, and go through, go underneath that bar, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through all 3 loops. So you have your chain 2, which is a half double crochet, and then your half double crochet. So we're going to do that all the way across. Yarn over, insert your hook into the bar that's underneath your stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in this bar. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through all 3 loops. And we're going to continue this just like this. And some people call this the 3rd loop, because you have 1, 2, and then you're working in this little bar here. And then 1 half double crochet in the turning chain. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 9 going across. Okay, so that was row 2. Row 3, chain 2. 1, 2, turn your work. That counts as a half double crochet right there. So now we're going to half double crochet in each stitch all the way across. Since that's already a half double crochet, we're going to start in the next stitch, just like this. So we have 2, and we're just going into the regular stitch. We're not going into the bar. We're just working a normal half double crochet. and then a half double crochet in that turning chain. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then that turning, that chain 2. So here's what that does when you work in the back. That's what it produces, and the back side should be flat. There shouldn't be anything. So we're going to do one more row where we create this bar right here. So chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work. Now we're going to create the bar again. So we're going to, instead of crocheting the normal stitch like this, we're going to work in that bar. So yarn over, insert your hook in the bar, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through all 3 loops, and then continue that in the bar or the 3rd loop all the way down. And see how you're creating a bar? Because you're going to be working back here, so you're creating a bar. Yarn over, insert your hook in the bar, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through all 3 loops. And just continue this all the way across. When you get to the end, half double crochet in the top of that chain 2. Chain 2, turn your work, and this is what you have. So now we're going to half double crochet all the way across again. That's 1. Your chain 2 counts as a half double crochet. That's 1. And we're just crocheting a regular crochet in our regular stitches. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1 on top of the chain 2. 9. So this is what it looks like. We'll do one more row of the bar, chain 2, turn your work. Okay, so once again we're going to work in the bar here, the 3rd loop. You got the 1, 2, and we're going to be working in this little bar all the way across. Just like this. So insert your hook under that bar and make your half double crochet. And just work this all the way across. And you see, I'm creating this ridge here. So you're working back behind. Okay, and get to the end, half double crochet in the top of your chain 2. Okay, so one side should be flat like this. The other side should have these ridges. Okay, so this one is done with the G hook. This one is done with an H hook, so you can kind of see the sizes. How much smaller and how much bigger an H hook is. Anyway, so yeah, have fun with this. You can make so many different things with this. Hats, scarves, anything, all kinds of stuff. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.